This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
My name is KyngTaj and I am 19 years old. My addiction is eating pork. I not stop eating pork. Rastafari. All of this started out when my girlfriend introduced me to a jerk, man. You don't know say Rasta man no listen nothing. I want me to tell you say the pork will come. 10 things of them. Ja! Rastafari. Oh.
My name is Albert Watson. I work at the internet cafe. I'm 18 years of age. And my addiction is stuffed teddy bears. I love them so much. I've been with them for since I was born. My parents used to take them away, that I used to capture them in my room, and we used to have fun time. I got her, she's kind of ratchet, but this is Sharkeisha. I like she's calm. I read her stories every night. We gotta share each other sometimes, like she's for the morning, she's for the night. I love them both. They get jealous sometimes and argue. Tell me, I want him, no, you're not gonna get him, I want him, no, you want him. But I just discipline them. Working low.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mr. Thompson. Tell us a little about yourself. Go ahead. Yeah, man, I don't know, I mean in chemical, you see me? I am 19 years of age. Yeah, I'm addicted to bleaching, as I can see. But can't stop bleach people. I tell you, say, everywhere I go, I have to bleach. In the sun, I bleach. When I bathe, I bleach. When I wash my plate, I bleach people. I tell you, somebody else, yo, people, I don't have town, I bleach people. Yeah, my husband, people, I'm from down at town, crossroad, off the street, everywhere, you see it. Anyone got anything with cream, I bleach people. And that's me I try to show you. See, if anything with cream, I start bleach. If you don't want to remedy, see that? Everything will bleach, you don't know? Bleach. Bleach. Ladies, don't worry yourself. I'll lower half bleach to bust me a bleach. I'll me a walk in the broad sun me a bleach. I'll me a pick mango and mango tree me a bleach. People, I bleach till I bleach. Is it? Right now, I want to get whiter than Addy. Don't worry about Gaza. Addy, pick up yourself and don't do anything large, Addy. Got Jamaica. Gaza. 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 They've done put more. Put more. Big up on yourself. Up to the time. Gaza. Pura chemical. Oi, oi. Oh, I need my products then.
Them say me mash up on me, they just same way.
Cause me say Empire same way. Still I represent Empire same way.
But your Billy still a get higher same way.
Me no Judas, so me nah go betray. Me no Peter, we deny the DJs.
Them want crucify me like Jesus Christ, but I give a God the devil, so me nah play.
Sun still a shine, so me still a make here by the sweat of me roll, you so me get clear. Teacher no mind me, me no him gal, me a work for me one that a Empire way. From me no put more to back on my way. Cause a commandments.
My name Winston Ram. And I am addicted to vitamin C. Boy, I'm not telling a lie, you see more time I get cross and want still a murder some people over no reason, you know. In real life, you know, some boy make man breathe for no reason, a bad man. Guys, no, I'm not telling a lie, you see when I'm all on them here. a hell of a thing. Batman. Vitamin C the Batman. Vitamin C the Batman. Where me vitamin C? Where me make this today, yo?
No, vitamin C.
Yeah, which vitamins? Where put my vitamins? And I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Yo, let me tell you this. You see, one man like a pharmacy forget them vitamin C. Pharmacists can't tell me so they not vitamin C, no. Oh, cause I'm mad. They're crushing this up. Vitamin C, vitamin C, them vitamin C, everything today. Hey brother, you're from some of youth. Brother, give me vitamin C, man, I want you, man. What money there? Money, my youth. Yo, my youth, yo, give me thing, brother. I want to hear you.